Okay, so I think the title of my talk is called On-Chain Aja, which is something we're doing. One of my core learnings of being in India, building from India, working with devs here closely has been that a lot of builders are building in a market that they don't truly understand, right? If you're not on chain, if you're not using the products that everyone's building, people like Huddle, Ayush, if you're not using them, you don't know what kind of things you're missing, what kind of gaps that exist. So we're gonna just talk about getting on chain, right? On chain Ana. We're gonna talk about three things. One, why should you care about coming on chain? We're gonna talk about if you do care about getting on chain, how do you get on chain? And then we're going to talk about base and why you should be thinking, building on base. Okay, so why on chain? Who here is on chain? Just raise your hand. Okay, I'm going to come to each of you and ask your on-chain scores, right? There's this website called onchainscore.xyz. Show me if your on-chain score is above 80 and we'll chat separately, right? Like on how you can get involved. So I think this has been talked about a lot, that the current internet is broken and the only way to make it better is to decentralize it, right? And I'm not going to yap on that because I think this has been a theme throughout. We all understand it. But why on-chain is truly important is because it creates a world without brokers. And this is meaningful, right? This is meaningful because in any economy, in anything you're building, those that create value should be the ones that capture that value. So on-chain does this really well in two ways, right? One, it allows you to access global capital. So whatever you're building, it means you can access capital from the US, capital from Indonesia, everywhere in the world, right? And that changes what you can do with it. That changes. So for example, I used to run a company where we would give loans at 28% because the cost of capital is 12%. Now, if I could access global markets, I could bring that cost down to 3%, 4%, 5%, right? Because that is good return for someone in the US on a stable asset. Now, that means I can give out loans at 10% to a school owner in India, which changes the kind of money this school owner is giving in an EMI, which means that the parent who's paying fees for schools and their children decreases. So the kind of impact you can create by just accessing global capital is insane, nuts, right? That is one. The other thing that on-chain does really well is that it is permissionless, and you can build data on top of permissionless Legos, which allows, if say today Ayush has built something, I can build on top of it without asking for his permission, right? That's really powerful. So as you're, again, how now you know on-chain is powerful, you know this is meaningful. How do you get on-chain and how do you bring your friends and family on-chain? The only way to do this right is by just using the products. Dog food your own shit, right? Like you gotta do it on your own, and that's the way. So you'll see me terminally on chain. If you track my wallet, saxenasub.eth, you're gonna go nuts, right? On just how many transactions I do. So that means I'm constantly on Farcaster, I'm constantly on interface, trading, evaluating new tokens, new projects, because that gives me access and an understanding of who's really building what in this space. Rounds is really cool, Moshi Cam, and that's Huddle 01, right? So you need to get on chain. And if you think about it, right, everyone is now online, but if you went 20 years ago, nobody truly was. Today, it's obvious, right? 20 years from now, it's going to be obvious that everyone is going to be on chain. So getting to how can you get on chain? How can you get on chain on Base? So Base's mission is that we're building a world to bring the world on chain. We're going to create a global economy that increases innovation, creativity, and freedom, right? And we do that. Again, it's easier on Base, right? Because Base is an Ethereum layer 2, and we use Ethereum security and make it more fast, scalable, And also like you have Coinbase's distribution. So we have like a bunch of things. I'm not going to dive into it, but largely the mission is fast transactions, cheap transactions, 1 second, 1 cent. You have smart wallets, you have a paymaster and a bundler. You have on-chain kit, makes it really, really easy for you to be building on-chain programs and projects. Base names is a primitive so that, I mean, why are we sharing long addresses at all, right? Like this should be like just like a user handle. So if you're here, we've got a scanner set up that allows you to claim your base name for free and lots of verification tools as well. From a builder support POV, firstly, we reward retroactively. So if you're building anything meaningful, you build it and we'll find you, right? You don't need to apply for a grant. We will give you a grant, right? So the way we do that is we scan social mentions, we scan contracts. If you've built an application that is getting users, we will come to you. You don't need to come to us. So again, we run, but if you're on Farcaster, we run weekly rounds. On base builds, if you post week on week, you will get a prize pool share based on how engaging your post is on what you've built. And that comes, it's permissionless, right? There's no brokers in between. Again, I spoke about base names. And yeah, we're doing a bunch of community meetups. If you want to host anything, base is for everyone. If you want to host anything in your city, in your town, in your university, you can just go and apply to host one, and we're going to give you the resources necessary to do that. If you are a creator, base is for creators. We give you access to distribution. So we've got a bunch of partners that if you built like an NFT, if you built like a music piece, created anything meaningful, we'll amplify your work. You can see that by scanning this code that gives you access to the on-chain registry. And yeah, this is it. This is my talk largely. If you want to get started, just scan this QR code, take a picture, and we will give you all the resources necessary for you to move forward on Base.